Hello everyone, welcome to 10th video of choosing XLS database. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make Excel create a backup of itself, how to make Excel take a daily backup of your file. So let's get started. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's go to Excel. And where is our file? So let's say here it is. This is the file we want to save. Let me pause. So this is the file, and you can see the name of the file is, let me get away. Name of the file is simpledatabase2.xlsm. So if I say I want to save this file, right, as a backup file. So if I go to developer and I say let's insert a new module, and let's have our macro named as backup. So if I say this workbook dot save as, what should be the name? The name should be this workbook dot path, and we know we need to put a backslash, and let's say the name is Backup.xlsm, right? So if I use this command and let me run this, right now this is simple database 2. If I save it as this, you will see that this is backup.xlsm now, but I don't want to change the name of the file. Okay, so let me just close this file, go to my folder, let's copy this and rename this, say to 2A, and it's open. So let's close this, back up and try again. This is 2A, let's delete the 2. So open this database 2A and go to Visual Basic, and instead of saying copy this workbook save as, if you can see this is the name of the file, I would say save copy as. Okay, so I will use this command. So you need to notice that simple database 2A, if I, okay, macros are disabled. Why they are disabled? Okay, this is a new file, so macro security, enable all macros, disable all with notification. Let's say Control S, Control F4, and let's try to open this again, enable macros, and I hope this time this will work. So this workbook, save copy as this workbook, this is this. So this is simple database.2. Let's run this file, run this command, and you can see this is completed, and the file name is still simple database2a.xlsm. Let's go to our folder, and you can see that we have this backup.xlsm now. So backup is created. So now you know which command to use to create the backup, but still we don't want to run this code every time. What we need to do is we need to run this code automatically when the workbook opens. So we go to this workbook, then we choose workbook and we choose open from the right side. You cannot see this, so let me, no, this is wrong. So this is the right window. I hope you can see it now. So from the left drop-down menu, this is the workbook, and from the right side, this is open. I can have this command here. So what will happen every time this workbook opens? It will save a copy. So let's save this. Control F4. Go to my folder. Where is the folder? Here it is. Here's the folder. Delete the backup file, right? And let's open this file now. Enable content, yes. And if I go to my folder, you can see backup has been created. So let's close it. Control F4 and open this file again. And you can see without any problem the original backup file was replaced, right? So it is running, but the point is I don't want to run this backup every time the file opens. I want to run this once every morning. So what I'm going to do, I am going to select a cell. For example, let's say I am going to select this sheet, and I am going to select a cell F1. Let's change this to some yellow, and this is my input sheet. You can see this is the input sheet. So what I would say is, in the developer, in the Visual Basic, and whenever this workbook opens, if range, this is sheet input, and the cell was F1, am I right? So let's go and check. This was F1 and sheet was input. Dot value is equal to is less than date, is less than date, which means date is the current date of the computer. If it is less than that date, then create a backup. Okay, is less than date, then create a backup. And this is and if. So what is the error? We didn't put an inverted comma over here. Okay, so I hope this is clear now. So if range then is less than date, then create a backup, and this F1 should be equal to the date, so that next time I open this file today, the date is saved. It should not create a backup. And let's say put a message box just for ourselves. In practical, you don't have this message box. The backup is created automatically. Backup created, so we will know if the backup is created or not. So let's close this. Let's save the file. Let's close the file and open it again. Backup created. Bingo. Okay, so let's close the file. Control F4. You want to save? Yeah, save, whatever. And let's open the file again. And this time we don't have that window, because in F1 we have this today's date. So let's go to Visual. We don't need to go to Visual Basic. Just change this date to, instead of 22, let's change this to 21. Save, close, and let's open it again. And bingo, backup period. So this is how you automate your backup task, that whenever your file is opened first time in the day, the backup is created automatically. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the idea in this video, think about giving this video a thumbs up and liking this video.